Okay, so I started keto about 3 weeks ago. I started because I wanted to lose some weight, and my blood sugar was high. It was 377. I was like, oh my gosh, it's time to do something. So rather than doing medication and injections and all that kind of stuff, which I really don't want to do, I decided to change my diet and get active. So keto was my first try, and I looked at my blood sugar a couple times a day, and it started to go down with the keto diet. So the more I did the diet, the better it got, and after 3 weeks I'm down 14 pounds, and my blood sugar this morning was 168, which is good. So I'm happy. I'm gonna keep doing it. So I'm making out my list for my keto, and we're getting ready to go to the grocery store and do a little small haul for the keto diet. So I've got my shopping list. I'm gonna get some eggs. You can never have enough eggs. I'm on my list is cheese, cottage cheese, veggies. Oh my God, I need some more veggies. I plan to get lettuce, tomato, cucumber, green peppers. I'm not sure about avocados. If you have any good avocado recipes, please let me know. I would love to try them. And I also want to stop at the Dollar Tree. Oh my goodness, the Dollar Tree has some great buys when you're doing a diet or when you don't have much money. So I usually buy my diet soda, pork rinds, snacks, stuff like that from the Dollar Tree, which is very inexpensive. They also have the nuts, which I really like to snack on. So that's the key. And they've also got the Weiler's Light, and I was kind of leery about this because it says it's sugar free, but it tastes wonderful. Oh my gosh. So I plan on getting a few more boxes of those because they seem to be going really quick. So I will check back with you with my haul, and we will resume this in a couple hours. Have a wonderful day, and please, if you have any tips or anything that you'd like to share for the keto to make my adventure a little less hectic, please share all your comments. Thank you. Thank you for subscribing, and have a wonderful day.